Hi, my name is Roxane Webster with my home team at Keller Williams Advantage. I am not only your real estate agent, I'm a real estate planner. Um, and uh, One of the things that is kind of the elephant in the room that we don't like to think about is the reality that if you don't come up with a cogent, well put together plan for when you're not able to care for yourself, you have decided that you're going to allow somebody else to make the decisions about your care, about where you live. If you have a plan now, that plan will make sure that your wants and desires for how your care, how you live, how your money is spent, how your money is dispersed are followed. Versus if you wait until you're in an emergency situation, those decisions may be taken out of your hands and given to kids, to the state, to somebody other than you. And at any rate, it's going to be made those decisions in a time of emergency. The time to plan is now while you're able to think about things. Really ask yourself, how do you want things to go? How do you want your care to go? How do you want your living situation to look like? Make that plan, execute it, and then the people around you will help follow that plan and put it into place rather than having to deal with a crisis. I am a real estate planner. I have access to the resources to help you with that planning. I'd love to have a conversation. Thanks.